Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, the Ice Cream Bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Thanks for joining us on this video. Thanks too to our episode sponsor, the Chocolate Shop Ice Cream Company. The folks at Chocolate Shop love technology. I first kind of fell in love with an iPhone sitting in the back seat of Dave Dedman's car as we were driving from one trade show to another. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. We are actually looking at the Meta glasses, Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I purchased these somewhat recently, went on a trip to Australia, filmed some content actually with these on, and I thought to myself, you know what, this would be great for an ice cream shop owner to really kind of engage in content. You can live stream from it, you can create video from it, a little bit less cumbersome than a GoPro on the top of your head. So I thought we'd run it through its paces today. I'll put the link down below, I should say Madeline will put the link down below of some of those videos that we actually filmed with the Ray-Ban glasses on, or the Meta glasses on. Comes in a very sleek carrying case right here. The stylish is beautiful. They have a few different models and you can get them prescription or not. I kind of got them on the fly. I got them non-prescription, so I kind of have to squint. You can get them prescription if you wanted to. They're very sleek, stylish. There's a few different models. There's the on the right arm. If I press and hold that, you'll see there's a light comes on here. Tells you that it's on. If you have them on your head, the speaker actually indicates that you're that they're on. Now there's microphones in the arms and there's speakers in the arms too. So you can actually, unlike a GoPro, really be attached to the microphone without having to hold a microphone or wear a microphone like this. So what I might do is let's throw this soft serve machine together using the GoPro glasses, using the Meta glasses, just as kind of an example of what it looks like. We're actually doing a video within a video because we're also running iRice's Italian Ice base through the soft serve machine, which is a previous video. Look, it's kind of like the, not the Matrix, what's that movie? Dream Within a Dream, Inception, I was gonna say Conception, gung. So we're gonna plug these in, turn them on, and kind of show you what it looks like and what the mic's like with these on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now we have our Taylor soft serve machine. Again, this could be you in your store. Hopper's nice and clean here. You can describe what the hoppers are. On this particular unit, you have some agitators. They fit right in the top here. Again, I know most of you know how to put a soft serve machine together, but this is kind of just showing you the audio volume of quality of video of the Meta glasses. We have our drive shafts in there. If you're a Taylor rep, you're probably thinking, we don't call it a drive shaft, we don't call it a scraper blade. I know, I'm not a trained Taylor technician, I just play one on TV. But again, this is kind of just showing you if you wanted to do a little tuition to your customers on how you do this or do that, you could certainly do it that way. I do think there's a lot to be said for either live streaming, creating content, even just like we're doing today, which is recording and editing afterwards and uploading this. We're going to put this on YouTube. The only thing that I found was a bit of a challenge was that it doesn't give you a full, if you wanted to do video on YouTube, it doesn't give you a full landscape shot. It only does this kind of square type thing, so there may be updates ahead. Bushings, I call these. Gung. Put them on here. Need some lube. Good thing I have the Taylor lube close by. Again, we've done videos on this. When I'm putting lube on a machine, I put about the eraser, about the amount of the eraser on the end of a pencil. So I pop that on here, and then we have our front door assembly, which, scanning, is over here. Now interestingly, this particular front door has two of these bars protruding from it. They're called stator bars, and they create a little bit more agitation in the machine, which will give you a little bit more overrun, if you will. Now I've got 2 thumb screws up here. The 2 bigger ones go on the top. 2 smaller ones go on the bottom. Again, you're watching this, if you've just joined in halfway through the video, you're watching this through the lens of these Meta glasses. It's really, I mean, technology is hugely incredible. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Some limitations. When you have these on, and I don't think it's a limitation, but it's designed to let people know that you're filming. So there's a flashing light that happens right here. I see on TikTok you can buy strips to put on them, or you can disconnect it. I don't think you need to do that. Currently, so far as filming video, 3 minutes is your max. So if you wanted to, and again, I don't know how many people are filming more than 3 minutes on Insta or TikTok, but 3 minutes is the max. But you can live stream from these. Elizabeth and I live streamed a location scout, and she was watching, and I was walking around wearing the glasses, and it was incredible. So again, at the time I bought these are about $300. You can get prescriptions in them. I think they're really good. I'm not going to put a link down below because we don't benefit from people buying stuff. Or do we? Maybe I will put a link down below. I'm going to put a link down below to, I don't know, wherever you buy them. Maybe we'll get a couple of cents every time you buy one. Meta glasses. They come thumbs up for us. Also, someone who gets thumbs up is the Chocolate Shop. Thank you for sponsoring this, Dave. I'll collaborate with you. We'll do a couple of Chocolate Shop collabs with the Meta glasses. Keep on scooping, everybody. See you in the next one.